Now that the sunflowers are tall and filling in, the birds are coming back. They're so much happier in the shade, in the refuge of their hiding place. They have water and food. We have doves and sparrows and finches. The occasional duck comes still. I think about how safe they must feel there, out of the sight of most predators, although the occasional cat comes around. And it makes me think about how safe we are under the wings of God, how we can hide in the shade, how He provides for us our sustenance, living water. And I know that it can't always be that way. In the fall, the sunflowers will have to be cut down. The birds won't come around quite as often because they'll feel a lot more vulnerable. But even then, in times of trial and vulnerability, God is with us. He covers us and provides for us. And when we're walking in the Spirit, our souls are always safe. And that's the beauty and the protection of our Heavenly Father.